In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a transparent material in Cycles and Eevee. The easiest method is by using a transparent material. This won't work in Eevee, unless we tweak the alpha settings. If we apply any colors to the transparent material, that will blend with what's within the mesh. We need to add a mix node with factor setting to control this material further. We can also use transmission with alpha settings to achieve the transparency. This is what we need to do in Eevee to see the transparent material. I'll show you something weird. If we add a noise and a bump node to the principled BSDF node, the material will change to pink in Eevee. I'm not sure if this is a bug or not, but it seems Blender is not able to mix the noise with transparency in Eevee. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.